Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. Today I am going to teach you how to fix YouTube Vanced not working. So here are the processes. First, what you'll need to do is to simply check your internet connection. So ensure that you have a stable internet connection to stream videos. You can even try resetting your Wi-Fi connection or using a different network to see if that resolves the issue. Next, what you can do is to clear your cache and data. So go to your device's settings and then select the apps or application manager. Then find and open the YouTube Vanced, then select storage from there. Then select clear cache and clear data. So this will clear any corrupted files and reset the app. Next, what you can do is to use VPN. So try using a virtual private network to change your location and access content that may be restricted in your region. However, be aware that using a VPN to access restricted content may be against the YouTube's terms of service. Next, what you can do is to disable the battery optimization. So, if you're using an Android device, try disabling battery optimization for YouTube Vanced to prevent the app from being shut down by the system. So, go to your device's settings and then select the battery or the battery and performance, and then just find and open YouTube Vanced, then select the battery optimization and set it to don't optimize. And then lastly, what you can do is to wait and try again. So if still YouTube Vanced not working, sometimes the issue may be on the YouTube's end. So in this case, waiting and trying again later may solve the problem. And that is all for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.